Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got an epic friend mail to share with you from the most epic friend in the world. Wait until you see all this, guys. So, you see the size of this box? Not really, you can't really see. It is massive and there's two of these. So these are from Unpolished by Aggie. Now, I'm pretty sure you all know Aggie. If there's anyone out there that doesn't and has been living under a rock, I am going to leave the link to her channel in my description box below. She's doing absolutely amazing, guys. She's so talented, she's so funny, and I think we all love her as well, you know, because she's just so real and genuine. She's just an absolute nut job. She's so funny. Aggie sent me these ages ago. So I just want to apologise for taking so long to get this video recorded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the box to the side and I'm just going to pull bits out and show you what's in there. So first up we have got this gorgeous pink heat coaster. How cute is this? Aggie knows that I want to have a go with Builder Gel. And these are ideal, you know, to keep your Builder Gel nice and warm when it's really cold. Ideal for that. And polygel as well, you could use it for polygel. So yeah, I can't wait to give that a try. Dying to have a go with Builder Gel. Next up we have got, it's like, so we've got this silicone mat. These are really, really handy. I've got one of these on the dashboard of my car and they're like sticky, but they're not actually sticky, if that makes sense. It's like silicone and everything grips to it, so you can just stick your phone on there, which is what I do on the one in my car. Just stick my phone on there and it stops it sliding about. I think that's going to be really handy, you know, when you're using like gel paints and stuff and the pot's really light and it moves about. Just have that sat next to you and put your pot there and it's not going to move. These are really, really good, these are, I like them. And then this is a gem picker-upper, but since she sent me this, she has tried hers and she said they're absolutely rubbish. But I'm still going to give it a try anyway, see what I think to it. So basically what you do is, you get your extra wax in there, so you twist that, and it comes out the end, like that, and then once you're finished with it and it starts losing its stick, then you can just snap that off and re-screw it and more will come out. I haven't got any gems to hand, I don't think. No, I've not. No, I've not got no gems to hand at the minute, so. And then you just snap that off, look, and then screw it back up when you want to use it. Then we've got some swabs. I love these. These are great for doing nail art with. You know, when you want to wipe away any mistakes and you want to get into like the smallest little areas. They're great for that. I love these. And then we've got all of these. Look at all these, guys. So these are, they're just little makeup sponges. But they're really, really good for doing ombres with. I've got one of them little dibber-dobberers, but I just can't get on with it. I find these, you get such a better blend with these than what you do the dibber-dobberers. So yeah, I'm buzzing about all them. Thank you so much, chick. Wicked. We've got a pink finger stand. It had to be pink coming from Aggie, didn't it? This is going to be great when I just want to steady my finger. If I want to do any filing, if I want to apply jewel forms or something. These are really, really handy. Got a black triangle tray. I've been wanting one of these for ages, but just not got around to buying one. These are really nice. You know, when I want to show my charms and stuff, what I've bought, they're so much better. They stand out so much better on these black ones than what they do the grey ones. Thank you, chick. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is a size 10 acrylic brush. I'm not going to get that glue out yet, not until I'm ready to use it. It looks like a really nice size as well, actually. Can't wait to give that a try. Definitely want to get into acrylic this year. I've been saying it now for a couple of years. This year, I'm definitely going to start learning acrylic. So I'll be giving that a try. Just got to wait till the weather gets a little bit warmer though, you know, so I can have all the windows open. Oh, I forgot about this. Portable mini printer. BT instant printing. Bluetooth instant printing, that means. So we've got inkless printing, long battery life, template printing. Oh, I can't wait to have a play with this. So you've got your USB charging cable. You've got the user manual. We're just going to have a quick look at this today, guys, because there's a few things to get through. But I will do a video on this at some point, because there's some really cool things. Oh, look at that! That is adorable! Oh, I love that. It's so cute. Love it. Yeah, like I say, we're just going to have a quick look at things today, but I will definitely do a video on this very soon, showing you how to use it and things you can do with it. I really want to try. Aggie did a video on it. I can't think what it's called. There's a name for it. But it's where you like make your own gel polish sticker kind of things. And you print the template out and then you can use that template as a guide. But yeah, I'll show you more on that and tell you more about that when I come to show you that. I've got some glitters. Oh, look at these. These are bright. Look at those. So we've got neon green. We have got hot pink. Look at that. So it's just got, I like that it's not got the massive hexes in it. Can you see? It's just got the small and medium hexes. That is stunning. So that one's called Shock. That one's called Scream. This one's called Acid. Oh, look at that. Wow. Stunning. And then this one is called Tiger Matte. Wow. So bright. They're well smart. Won't be long now before we'll be getting all our bright colours out, will it? And then we've got these ones. Oh, these are more my kind of glitters because they've got a bit of fire in them as well, look. I love them. Gorgeous. We've got green, neon yellow. Look at that. That is so bright. We've got like bright sunshine yellow. Can you see the difference? Look. To the neon and the sunshine yellow. Oh, they're so smart. We've got neon orange. Love that. And then we've got just bright orange. That is so much brighter than what my camera's showing. It's really, really bright. Again, completely different to that one. But it is really, really bright. Stunning. We've got these two pink ones. Wow. Ain't they smart? We've got these two purple ones, which on camera they don't look very different. Oh, I don't know, yeah, you can see this one's slightly darker than this one. This is more like a plummy colour. This one's more like the neon purple. They're both really, really pretty. Then we've got these two blue ones. They're really smart as well. I like this one the best. It's more like the neon blue, typical neon blue. And then lastly, we've got this one, which is probably more up my street as a blue shade. It's kind of like duck egg blue. It's really, really pretty blue. I'm not sure if this is my favourite or the neon yellow. That's a really, really hard choice. I like it. Gorgeous! So that's all the glitters. Right guys, who is ready to see the last two items? I've saved the best two items till last. So this is the first one. Look at this! rechargeable nail drill. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So it's a 30,000 RPM. It's got the digital screen. We will have a quick look at it, but like I say, we're not going to have a proper look at it today because I will do a review video on it anyway. Who's ready to see? Oh, it's pink! So you get your instruction manual, you get some Efile bits, you've got your charger plug there. Look at this handpiece. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's not too big. It's a really nice size. It's beautiful. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Guys, look at that. How beautiful is that? I've always wanted an Efile that's got the RPM on the screen. All my Efiles, they've either got like a low, medium, high, or you know, like a knob that you turn with dashes, no actual numbers on. So I've always wanted one that's got the numbers on. You know, so when I'm using it in a video, I can tell you what RPM I'm using. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, I forgot this is wireless as well. So you turn it on here, twist that there. So you got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5, all the way up to 30,000 RPM. That tells you your charge. So you've got forward, reverse there. Oh, that is so cool. But not only is this an Efile, guys, guess what else it does? Who's ready to see? You've also got a button here, and it's got a light on it as well, look. How cool is that? You know, if you want to flash cure a gem or something, you've got it all to hand. Ooh, it's so cool. Love that. Wow. Thank you so much, chick. You have well and truly spoilt me. Wow. What an angel is she, guys? She's an absolute angel, ain't she? So, we are on to the last item now, guys. And again, this is a biggie. So the last item is a nail dust collector. I've never had a dust collector. Never. I'm so excited to try this. Especially with my lungs as well, guys. My lungs are so bad. For those of you that don't know me, I had pneumonia about 7 years ago and it scarred all my lungs, which has given me a lung condition. So, obviously, when I'm filing and stuff, the dust is really bad for my lungs. So, this really should have been one of the first things that I ever got when I started nails. So, inside the box, we have got the dust bags. So, you get 2 of those. Yes, yes, yes. It is pink. Oh my days. How cool is this? It's even got the armrest on it as well. That's going to be so handy. So you can have your hand on there like that. Efile away like that. And no dust is going to be getting on my lungs anymore. So excited to give that a try. Just love that it's got the armrest on it as well. I could imagine it's going to steady my hand up so much more, having something to rest it on. Wow. Chick, thank you so much. You really are one in a million. And I don't mean that because of all the amazing stuff that you sent me, but as a mate, you really are one in a million. I couldn't be without you. As crazy as you are, and as nutty as you are, I couldn't be without you. Thank you so much, chick. So guys, that is everything for today's video. Like I said earlier, I am going to do a review on the Efile, the dust collector and the mini printer very, very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.